Sirikal kaunti ma Nyamira kotudore kod bengi moro e pachoka ochako chenro mar siro jopuonjre matiegore tije lwedo kaka yo mabiro konyogi yudo thuolo mag tije. Chenro ma kamano geto jopuonjre 579 mantiere kuonde tiegruok mag tije lwedo 16 e kauntino kendo ketnegi tenge omenda maromo $30 million. Kata kamano, moko kuom jopuonjre ma ichano sir to yuago reyo kaluwore kod nok mag tije kendo gikwayo kauntino mondo konygi e yudo tije e chenro mag sirikal.
The great job you have done to our PTCs.
A few of the students.
This is a joint venture and has enabled 579 trainees in 16 vocational training centers access full scholarship. Further, my administration has injected an additional 10.5 million shillings to support an additional 1,786 trainees in partial scholarships.
Tuko na mafundi hapa, tuko na plumbers, tuko na electricians hapa, tuko na hairdressers hapa, tuko na beauticians hapa. The challenge for them to access work is tools. So your graduation, mimi nitakuja hapa, sikuji na mdomo, nitakuja na toolkits hapa.
The respective department accelerate the preparation of Nyamira County Vocational Training Center bill so that we integrate the needs of the learners, the needs of the parents, the needs of His Excellency in a practical way so that we can get proper funding.
Katika ile miradi ya national government na ile ya county government ambayo inakuanga hapa nyumbani, make sure our people, our young skills are given the first priority. Juu haiwezekani, Your Excellency, ati sisi tunajenga ofisi hapa Nyamira, ati watu wote majamaa wanatoka Nairobi na sisi tuko hapa tumesoma. Hiyo inawezekana?